It's Crypto Ether, back at it again with another crypto video. As always, I never give financial advice. Always do your own research. We live in a super volatile crypto market, so never invest more than you're willing to lose. Guys, I hope you listened on the Laid Back Llamas call. The floor price is 0.338, guys. If you guys were not familiar, minting price was 0.07 on the public sale. So if you guys happen to get in on the 5 minutes that it was live, I think they sold out in 5 minutes, it was said, then you've already pretty much 4x'd your money, guys. So, shout out to everybody that got in on those NFTs. I unfortunately did not. Your boy is still working up his Ethereum so he can bring you guys his first mint, right? But until then, I can just keep bringing you guys the gems that I see out in the space. Like, guys, I'm just learning this NFT process, and I've been making pretty good calls so far. What my strategy is I look for a project that has some noise around it. I look into the Twitter. I look at engagement. I go to the Discords. I look at engagement there. I look at the artists. I look at previous projects from those artists and see if they did well and what the community engagement is like for those projects. Like, there's a ton you can look up when doing NFT research, guys. And I definitely did that with Laid Back Llamas because they already had a previous project or a Genesis collection, right? And that collection was doing really well. Well, now here we have Laid Back Llamas collection has been sold out, guys, and floor price has just been rising since it's been sold out, and we still have yet to reveal. So stay tuned for that live stream. I'll be bringing you guys that later. I do want to see what's revealed. I want to see how prices fluctuate and all that stuff, guys. I am on a NFT journey, and I'm definitely learning all of this stuff. So I'm just going along and picking up gems on my journey, just trying to learn this crazy NFT space. But I think I'm doing pretty well so far. This was pretty cool, guys. I'm very, very stoked about Laid Back Llamas and to see where the future holds for it, right? So again, if you guys got in there, let me know in the comments down below. I really do want to know if you guys got some of these NFTs, and if you did, I'm stoked for you guys. I mean, you're already doing really well. Floor price is already way up there, and they haven't even revealed yet. So hope you guys got some rares. Definitely keeping my fingers crossed for you guys. And yeah, I will be live streaming this reveal event later, so definitely stay tuned for that. If you guys did like my video today, make sure you smash that like button. Appreciate you guys. I'm going to keep bringing you more NFT calls and just projects that I think are going to do well. And yeah, appreciate all you guys for tuning in. So let's go, guys. It's Crypto Ether, and I'm out of here. Peace.